So hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, with Bitcoin I have changed the chart a little bit. I can't remember if we already talked about that in the previous video or if I just updated it on Telegram and Discord. It doesn't make a difference really. Well, it does and it doesn't. It doesn't to the scenario that has been unfolding, and obviously the triangle breakout to the downside as anticipated worked out. So it's, however, for me a little bit clearer, this structure as a C wave, as a 5-wave impulse here, an ending diagonal, right? So it looks a little bit more like an ending diagonal and not a triangle as I had it before on the chart. The outcome, yeah, was basically the same. It's just that this third wave was a bit too short. And I've just aligned the count a little bit more with Ethereum. Now, again, this is really doing the micro counting, right? I mean, the way I had it before, you will remember, and hopefully nobody was surprised by the break of the triangle today. Before I had this as an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave, I think. So we were ready for a breakout to the downside of the triangle. So that worked out. It broke swiftly. Yeah, as I said before, when a triangle breaks, it normally is quite quickly. And we have so far held the low of the trading session, I'd say, but not really seen an impulsive reaction to the upside. So because of that, and because Ethereum is a little bit clearer to me in terms of the structure, I have now aligned the Bitcoin sub-wave count to the Ethereum count. So again, it doesn't really change much. All I did was to move basically the triangle. So with the Elliott Wave triangle, I assumed the B wave ended basically here. Yeah, but it looks to me more like a B wave ended here at the top on the 23rd of March. And then this was a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside. This here could be a third wave down. We might now be working on a fourth wave, and with one more wave down to come. Now, that's at least a suggestion how it could unfold. It could also be that this move down here is only, again, an A wave. We would then do a B wave top and come down in C in the lower support area. So again, they are still both relevant in terms of pullbacks, yeah. But I think from what I see here, there is a good chance at least for one more low on the micro level before we have a more substantial low in place, and then we need to see how it's going to react. Ideally, this additional low will take us into our support area that was defined already, that you know about, between 24,940 and 26,275 or 274. To confirm a breakout to the downside in a fifth wave, we really need to take out the support, today's low, 26,540, and then I'd be looking at support at, as I said, 26,274 or 25,724 and 24,942. And below that level, we have a much deeper pullback into the green, into the yellow zone. Again, both part of the overall uptrending scenario. Yeah, it's just a question: do we get a shallow pullback or do we get a deeper pullback? This story is currently being written, but on the micro level, it looks like we need one more low. And to be honest, many altcoins could not stand more than one more low. Yeah, so for many of the 1-2 setups that we have on the altcoin charts, one more low is acceptable, but that's it, right? So from that point of view, maybe Bitcoin will only make one more low and then we could start to rally again. So we need to keep options open, be a bit flexible. Yeah, that's sort of where we are. I mean, could the low already be in here with this last low? Yes, sure. But at the moment, I don't have any indication it is, other than we did hold today's low so far. But this looks like consolidation. Yeah, I mean, the low could also be in. But then to really consider that, I want to see a break above the 28,220 level. Yeah? Then that would be a really good bottom signal. I mean, it could then still top in a B wave of sorts and still come down, but probabilities by then will have shifted quite a lot in favor of a direct breakout in a third wave to 30k plus. But yeah, for now, primary scenario did work out in that we had that breakout to the downside. I'd like to see a little bit more follow through to get a deeper wave 2. One more low I'd be happy with, and then, you know, I'm happy if it turns around again. But yeah, that also relates to many of the altcoins that really can't do with one more with more than just one more low, right? Because a lot of them are already very, very deep in support. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin so far. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.